Namaste everyone. So we are discussing today LCM HCF. What is LCM? LCM is nothing but lowest common multiple. The smallest number which will be divisible by two or more numbers. HCF is highest common factor, the biggest number which can divide two or more numbers. It's HCF. Now, how to find it? We have done fundamental theorem of arithmetic in my last lecture where we discussed that prime factorization of every number is unique. Like for 6 it is 2 into 3. For 12 if I see it is 2 into 2 into 3. So prime factors for both 6 and 12 is nothing but 2 and 3, but prime factorization is different. The number of times I am multiplying 2 makes it a different number. For every composite integer it's a unique prime factorization. So if I want any number to be divisible by 6, all the factors of 6 should be present. It means if any number has 2 into 3 in its prime factorization, then that number will be divisible by 6. So now let me take one more number 4, which is 2 into 2. If I have to find LCM of 6 and 4, I want the factors of 6 and 4 both present there, but it should be smallest number also at the same time. So what I will do, the prime factor which is under the common, if I write only once, like if I write 3 into 2 into 2, so 2 into 2 is the prime factorization of 4, it will be divisible by 4. 3 into 2, which is same as 2 into 3, is the prime factorization of 6, so it will be divisible by 6 also. So LCM is nothing but 12 only. So we can say that ma'am, multiple will be 2 into 3. If I write a number multiplying all the factors 2 into 3 and 2 into 2, then it is also multiple of 6 and 4. Yes, even it is the multiple of 6 and 4 because factors of both 6 and 4 are present here, but it is not the smallest one because here I have taken 2 twice. So 2 is the common thing. It can serve the purpose for both 6 and 4. So to make it smallest, the common ones I have to pick only once. That's how we find LCM. Now for HCF is little easier here because nothing much we have to do. I have only one common factor which is 2. So the highest number which will divide both 6 and 4 is 2. Now to make it more clear, let me take one more example. So if I take number 72. 72, what is 72? Factors of 72, 8 into 9. Yes, they are not the prime factors, but it will help me in finding the prime factors easily in a faster way. And 16, for that I am taking another number 96, whose prime factor is 16 into 6. So what will be the prime factors? 2 raised to power 4 comes from here and 1 2 from here. 2 raised to power 5 into 3. Now if you see, I have to find LCM of 96 and 72. I want all the factors of 96 and 72 to be present there. So if I take 2 cube, it won't be divisible by 96 because the highest power of 2 is 5 in 96. 2 raised to 5 should be present. And if I write 2 raised to 5, 2 cube is automatically inside it. How? Because if I am writing 2 cube, if I am writing 2 raised to power 5, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube is part of it. Same will happen with 3 square. If I am writing 3 into 3 also, 3 which is present in 96 is part of it. So if you see, this is the smallest number possible which is divisible by both 72 and 96. What I have done, I have picked the highest power of both the cases, 2 raised to 5 and 3 square. Automatically it will become divisible by both 72 and 96. I can make it more simpler with the Venn diagram. Let me discuss first HCF also. For HCF, I want the biggest numbers which can divide both. Biggest number which can divide the both 72 and 96. If I write 2 raised to power cube, that is the highest power of 2 which will divide both 72 and 96. Right, and if I will write 2 raised to 5, it will divide definitely 96 but not 72 because 72 has highest power of 2 only as 2 cube. Same way with the highest power of 3, I can take as 3 raised to power 1 only because if I take 3 square, it won't divide 96. So this will be my HCF. Now if if you see, if you observe, I can do it with the help of Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? I will make two circles where I will write the common factors of 96 and 72. So if you see, if I just a minute, what are the common factors? If I write common factor in the common area, 2q and 3, right? And here I write 2 square. This is the factor circle for 96 and this is the factor circle for 72. Here I multiply with 3. So these are the factors for 72 and these are the factors for 96. So the common area, whatever I am writing, it is my HCF, right? This is my HCF. And all the factors, if I multiply, the common ones I am taking only once, it will be the LCM. There is one very good fact which you can observe from here. I am writing it here. You try finding it out why it is true. I am sure might have understood by now, but still I want you to explain it, to understand it once on your own, to realize it on your own. HCF, if I multiply LCM and HCF of two numbers, then it is nothing but equal to product of two numbers. But will it be true for three numbers? This also you have to realize. I will be discussing it in my next lecture. I hope the concept of LCM and HCF is clear to you. See you till then. Bye bye.